Welcome to Maths with Adam. In this tutorial, we are going to be solving this simple IG question from simple interest. Okay, the topic is simple interest. So let us read the question together. Kai invests $5,000 in an account paying at a rate of R% per year. At the end of 8 years, the value of his investment is $5,700. Find the value of R. So we are going to find the value of R. Okay, that is the rate. So we are going to solve this question together. The first thing we are going to do is, let's write down the formula for interest. So our interest is given as principal times what? The rate times what? The time. Okay, now the interest equals to what? The principal. The principal is what? The initial amount. Okay, the amount invested. And then the rate is R. That is what we are going to find. And then our time is what? 8 years. So what we are going to do is simply substitution. So before we do the substitution, let us look at the interest. Okay, now here we have the initial amount. The initial amount is $5,000. And then the final amount is $5,700. So it is very easy for us to find the interest. So the interest can be gotten from subtracting the initial amount from the final amount. So we have 5,700 minus 5,000, and that is going to give us what? 700. So 700 is going to be our interest. So our interest is equal to $700. Okay, great. Now our principal is the initial amount invested, and that is going to be 5,000. Okay, let me bring the dollar sign. Good. And then the rate is what we are going to find. Okay, so we are going to find the rate. We don't know that. Now, the time is what? 8 years. So our time is 8 years. Okay, so what we are going to do is just substitution. So I'm going to write the formula again. Don't forget our interest is equal to the principal times what? Our rate times the time. Let us do substitution here. Our interest is what? $700. So I'm going to write 700. And then equal to the principal is what? 5,000. Okay. And then times the rate. That's what we are going to find. Times the time is what? 8 years. So I'm going to multiply the 5,000 by what? The 8 years. So we have 700 equals to 5,000 times 8 is going to give us 40,000 R. Okay, because we are finding for the value of R, we will divide this side by 40,000 and divide the left side also by 40,000. Okay, so our R, the rate is equal to 0.0175. That is the value of R. Now, the rate is always in percentage. Rate is always in percentage. So we are going to convert this figure into percentage. Okay, so by just moving 2 decimal places to the right. So 1, 2. And that is going to give us our rate is equal to 1.75%. So this is our final answer. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye.